Hello and welcome to Instrucard, your worldwide instrument partner. We have a differential pressure transmitter which is offered by ACE Instruments. This differential pressure transmitter is a mini model of the regular differential pressure transmitter or the gauges that we manufacture. Now this mini model has got a variety of options which is enclosed in this. So this has got a communication option which is RS485 and 4220. This 4220 analog output can also be jumper selected by 4220 milliamps or 0 to 10 volts. Also you can do a jumper selection of the measuring range for this differential pressure transmitter. For the power supply, it takes 24 volts DC. A similar kind of SMPS can be used, which is 110 to 300 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. Two hose nipples at the bottom, positive and negative. ABS plastic body. The IP rating is IP52 and the accuracy for this differential pressure is 0.5% on full scale. We do have other differential pressure transmitters which we manufacture. You can always reach our technical expert to know more about this product. Thanks for watching.